Oh, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. I figured out a name for this chicken. I'm gonna call him Ken. Short for chicken. Say hello to Ken. I've named him Ken. Beautiful day, check it out. Roger that. So today we're cruising, day in the life, chilling again. I hit up my friend, one of my cousins. They said he's cruising, so we're gonna cruise together. Might as well. I'm bringing you guys along. Stay tuned. If you guys haven't been here before, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, comment, and tell us what we should do different. Follow us on social media. I have an Instagram, Dremix Vlogs. Go ahead and follow that as well. Roger that. I like your glasses. Looking killer. I like borrow. I like your glasses. You can have your glasses. I can have your cool down sunscreen, the kind of that. I can have this, whatever this is. I can have your bag, see-through bag. Oh, I like this money. Roger that. Mahalo, thanks, eh? You do me a favor, babe, when you're leaving. You can just rubber down when you dig. One tire fire action. I only see this tire spinning. I only want to see this tire spin. I don't want to see the one on that side spin. Only this one. So as soon as you leave, babe, rubber down for K-Town. Let's go. Watch you line them up. Nah. Right, guys. You know what pisses me off, like for real kindness, when I'm trying to vlog and then later on I realize I have pimples on my face and like my mustache and they're just popping. Why you guys would never tell me, bro? What the fuck? Nah. Oh, mango. Oh look, Leisha forgot her mango. Hers one is like a lot better than mine. I should eat them. Nah. You don't mess with your girlfriend's mango. You end up sleeping on the couch. How's this nuts guy? The wind is roping out there. Beautiful day. Check them out with the polar eyes. Man. Without it? Without? I think it looks cooler this way. Oh, good day to fish though, for sure. What's up? Right on. Got hooked up with a mango local on the big eye. I do not have a knife, so I'm gonna have to adjust. What I usually do is I bite around, or I bite from the top and I strip out the skin. And so I get to bite into the mango. Mango. You want to make sure you leave a little bit of skin on the bottom so you can hang on to it. What's up, Dan? Okay, hello. Meme, Raja. Heading out to a different spot, cruising. Gee. And of course, we keep the essentials in here. Some a snack. Can't forget about Ken, the chicken. Gee, different spot for today. I wasn't expecting to hike in the bush diggings there. The piggies. It's been a while since I've been here. At least over a decade. 10 years. Some more diggings right here. Beautiful banyan tree. Hammock City right here. Showing fat Hammock City. Yee. Sick. Oh, what is this? The shampoo ginger, huh? Nice. What is this? All mango trees. It's 3 big mangoes. Nice. I think I see some lily koi. And here's the wild turmeric. Yeehaw. Wild turmeric used for medicine, like anything else, super healthy for you. This is nuts. all. Gotta climb this hill. With the rope. Ah, doo-doo in between my slips. Oh, I need 2 hands for this. Damn. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. The doo-doo in between my slippers. That's probably just mud. Moving up. Doesn't show how steep it is, but it's not bad. Whew. Nice breeze. Let's go. Got a squat. That's a nice breeze right there. Hey, back on the road again. What? Oh, Harry Potter. It was Hedwig. My Hedwig was white. Yes, sir. The bench. How? Made out of how? That's how. Make them out of how. How trees. Those are native, right, to Hawaii?
Yes, sir.
So you can see these leg hairs. This is natural mosquito repellent. Right? They don't even, can't even touch this. They're smart. They hit the part where there's no hair. I don't normally drink, but this is a good occasion right there. Yes, sir. Beautiful day, beautiful company. Let's go. Good vibes. Major. You know, I lived there my whole life and I always think to myself, I like dig, I like want to leave, explore, but then when I come to places like this, you know, next to the river or on the water, in the water, anything, man, it just gets me rooted. I don't want to leave.
5 years, I'm never leaving again.
I don't want to leave now.
No way.
This is where it begins, man.
Yep.
I guarantee these prawns would eat this. Yeah. Pigs are grinding. Pigs got to them.
Mongoose maybe. They do get them though. Look, here's a seed. They eat it. They eat them
Leave
clean.
the seed.
And then so I come down here, I collect seeds, and then I graft them later on.
You see all these autos?
Yeah, no kidding. All these cakeys right there.
And look, here's the seed.
Oh, you can guarantee put some like platforms in here. Alright, with the avocado. Stream right over there. I'm digging these baby avocado trees. Oh, fatty. Freaking fat boy. You're not gonna eat them?
Go ahead.
Oh, thanks, man. Yes, sir. You all the way up there and got an avocado. Mean. Thanks, bro.
You got it.
Oh, check out these bagels. He found them. Stoked. You can climb them. Got this avocado.
Oh, yeah.
Got this mango.
Sick.
Cherry looks. So eating fruits today. Some mangoes, some apples, 1 apple. That's a lot. Oh! The apples and the avocado just went down. Look, I'm floating in the water. I'll grab it.
The prawns. They just rolled in.
Free shabakadu. Baby, come back. Look at the prawns.
Give my mom the apple.
Mop boys, eat, eat, come inside. Yep, enough for everybody. Come make one plate, eat. Hanaho mango. Boom.
Maybe make a base, like a throw down some base for ukulele. They're like, we'll make one of those tub bases.
Nuts, dude. Thinking nuts, where are you from? Oh, hogging it. Roger, Roger, shoot, shoot, shoot. So much of these prawns. Yeah, I was told that if you feed them coconut, they poop out all the bad stuff and then they taste like coconut after. I gotta go, got a Hellas. Roger that, my brother.
Alright.
Shoot, guys.
Later, brother.
Until next time, thank you for having us
so
here.
much. Yeah, that was fun.
Mahalos.
Yeah, man. Okay,
Yes, I'll see you guys next time. Roger, guys. Shoot. Shoot. Yes, well, guys, that is the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment and tell us what's up. How's it going? I hope you guys are enjoying the day in the life of vlogs with your boy Dre. Thank you for watching episode 2. And guys, mucho mahalo. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for the support. And until next time, guys, aloha, mahalo, and shoot.